Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Hyundai Santa Fe key fob. It's a simple process that you can do yourself with just a couple of common household items. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have these ready before we begin, as they are essential for a smooth replacement. First, let's remove the emergency key. Look for a small button, usually on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly, and then you can slide the physical key straight out. This step is crucial because it exposes the small slot where you'll insert your tool to pry open the fob. Keep the emergency key nearby, as you might use it in the next step. Now, with the emergency key removed, you'll see a small indentation or slot. Take your small flathead screwdriver and carefully insert its tip into this opening. With a gentle but firm motion, twist the screwdriver. You should hear a slight click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Work slowly around the edges to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Once the fob is open, you'll see the old battery, typically a CR2032. Note its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up, then carefully remove it. Insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring it's correctly oriented. Finally, align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly together until they click shut. Don't forget to slide the emergency key back in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.